Reality check man from your device, you know, it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today my viewers and subscribers at home and who are living in the diaspora abroad. Now, a lot of Unnu out there inbox me. And I say, me I work for PMP, or me a PMP blogger, you know, or me I work for Mark Golden. No, I am not. I do independent journalists. Why I do that? Because I'm fighting for my country. My country is on the verge of collapsing. My country is on the verge of heading over that cliff. And I can't sit and watch my country go over the cliff and don't play a part. You see what I mean? I am a high maintenance guy. I stay strictly to my roots. I'm having Sursi tea this morning. Here, fresh juice, cantaloupe, pineapple, watermelon, ginger, and lime. I don't do preservative. No, I don't do GMO. You see what I mean? I do organic. So, I am a high maintenance guy. I am not a $3,000 guy. I am not a Roman boom guy. I am not a 5,000 guy. I'm not for a plate of food. No, I am not that type of person. I am independent. And this fight is for a better Jamaica. You understand? To secure a better future for my kids, my grandkids, and my great-grandkids. And not just for me, but for you also. You understand? So get that out of the way. Stop labeling me. Me no liquor on shelf. Me no rum. Me no juice, so don't label me. I am a human being. It's happened to be. I am a Jamaican. And because of that, it is my duty to stand and fight for my country. That's what I'm doing. So your label, and that does not have anything to do with me. You understand? I am the opposition. You are the opposition. I don't know if you know that. We are all the government of Jamaica, and we are also the opposition. If something is not going right, it is our duty to point it out and call out the administration. Right? Because remember, it is one government at a time. The opposition is only there to question the government and to try to hold them accountable. How can a 14-member opposition contain a 49-member governing party who build their logo on Andrew Holness government badness? How could that be? So I don't know what's wrong with you people, but I'm not gonna change my tune. I'm gonna sing louder. So get used to it. And sometimes it makes me question. A lot of you people, a lot of you Jamaica Labour Party supporters are stupid. And I'm saying that without no apology. You know, I'm very stupid. You can't go look up it. When someone say that you're stupid, you're showing great lack of intelligence or common sense. Stupid. You're showing great lack of intelligence or even little common sense. Not even that you don't have. Stupid! And when somebody refer to you as a dunce, you slow or a stupid person. If you are a dunce, you are slow or a stupid asshole. Simple. And somehow, no, trust and believe, man. Only they show way past stupid and way past dunce. It is easy as 1, 2, 3. It is one government at a time. So therefore, My purpose is to hold the government accountable. If the government do good, then there is no reason to hold them accountable. If the government is doing bad, we have to hold the government accountable. So why should that be a problem? Because someone who's so stupid, not even common sense you don't have, who so dunce, who don't understand the role of the governing party from the opposition. No one think that the role that the government is playing is the role that the opposition is supposed to play. And the role that the opposition is playing is the role that the government should be playing. That's how dumb some man are and stupid. Dunce and stupid, man. So, as I said before, let I rephrase it again. The leader of the opposition, the role that the leader plays, and to always question the government to hold them accountable. We know this Wellness administration, the man build his logo and government badness. Andrew Holness government badness, clerks pan foot. That's the administration that the man build and come to power. So what you expect the opposition to do at time? You did not give them a vibrant, energetic, or enthusiasm opposition. You did not. If you want a vibrant, energy, enthusiasm opposition, then why you give them 14 seats out of 63? You tie them on and send them in a parliament and expect for them to fight. A suicide act. 14 seats out of 63. And then you want the opposition to run all over the place and do everything. How is that possible? You send them a war and you don't give them no gun. You don't give them no ammunition to go fight. Suicidal thing you don't deal with. Think about it and look into it. I said the role of the opposition is to question the government and to try to hold them accountable. I will repeat again, Andrew Holness slang when him come was Andrew Holness government badness clerks from foot. That's what you guys buy into. A whole heap of you buying at the clerks from foot Andrew Holness government badness. And because of that, what happened? Jamaica is where it is right now. Heading over a cliff. Jamaica need rescue and need rescue fast. Because of no for young people, some of PMP who licky, and get buyout for 1,3,000 or 1,10,000 or 1,20,000. And who know the problem? And the whole of Jamaica in and now, who know have to take it out? So we see where every little chance you get to run gone through border. If you no get a visa, you run, we are not come back. If you no go up on the farm work, you run, we are not come back. You no run where because you no cause the problem. You no say Andrew Holness, bro, God, government badness, clerks, pan foot. You no elect him. So why you no run out of the problem? You have to be amends. If you create a problem, it is your responsibility to do everything to fix that problem. Or if you make a mistake, you cannot run away from your mistake. You have to go and correct that mistake and use that mistake to motivate you going forward in life so you will never make that mistake again. And the mistake that you make is when you go select Andrew Holness government badness. And this is what it turned out to be. Jamaica is on the brink of collapsing. on the edge of going over the cliff because a lot of you people who buy into his slogan, Andrew wholeness, government, badness, clerks pan foot, prosperity, sell no vote for rum and boom, sell no vote for rice and curry chicken, sell no vote for 3,000, sell no vote for 5,000, 10, 20,000. And almost a decade later, look where we at. Look where we at. Jamaica is on the verge of collapsing under this Andrew Holness-led administration. So it was you, some of the people who create this for the Jamaican people. Because you know, buying to this Andrew Holness government badness, clerks pan foot. So you know, run where? You know, go correct, you know, mistake and go back, go solve the problem. The problem need to solve. Want to create in a Jamaica, Unnu 3,000, 2,000, 4,000 rum and boom, green shot, 5,000, 3,000, 10,000. Unnu create the problem for Jamaica. So Unnu fi fix it. I don't know what to do. Unnu know what to do. There's a local government looming. And that is the first sign one have to send to Andrew Holness and the administration. So boss, we make a mistake in 2016 and we make a next big one 2020. So we are here to make amends and correct our mistake. Because you cannot make your mistake be your undertaker. You must make your mistake be your teacher going forward. And you have to learn from your mistake. Then say foolish pitney drop over back door twice. You understand what I'm saying? So don't get it twisted. The opposition cannot do anything. The opposition is dog without teeth. They cannot bite. Even if them bark, they don't can bark. But it does not matter. The Jamaica Labour Party have 2/3 of the member in the parliament. They make all the rules in the parliament. It doesn't matter if the PMP want to join with them or not. It no matter. They have 2/3 of the parliament. They make the votes. They make all the decisions for Jamaica. Get that tune head done, stupid, baboon, asshole, rat bat. Yes, man, no fun with rat bat. You don't go come out at night. No dark. Not even little common sense. Slow. Lack intelligence. For me to talking about my country and the state that my country is in. And I don't like it. Because 8 years ago, my country was not like that. My country was not like that. And you want me to be naive of the situation. You want me to be naive of the facts. And play like it is not what it is. To make Andrew Holness and the administration look good. And to make someone look good and feel good. No, me, a respectable man, must lower my standard. To make you want to feel good. Why not stating the facts? To make Andrew Holness look good. Me go trample and walk all over my credibility. By not stating the facts. To make Andrew Holness look good. Me they tell you say no some baboon. You if you go tie back a cow, make cow shit pound. My excuse to cow. Because cow don't a good manure. If I say that I would be disrespected to the cows. Cow shit too good food, no brother. Yeah man, a dog and hog for shit pound, bro. You understand? Because Unnu is so dunce and stupid. Slow man. Not even little common sense. No can't comprehend. No cure people that try. No cure we broke it down and come down in the gutter and the mud and the gully and the trench for no get you. No can't get it. Don't. Fully. The full and the flow over and full and the flow over and full and the flow over again. Fully. Never attend class. Or even if you don't attend class, you know, I'm going to disrupt the class. To come and telling me about I am a PMP or Mark Golin is paying me. How I don't know, man? That's why no fan know if they wear Pampers. No fan know if they wear Stay Free Maxi Pad. Because everything want to do, you know, have to get money. Everything want to do, you know, have to get paid. You can't fight for a word cost without getting 10 cents. You can't fight for a word cost without getting some rum and boom. You can't fight for a word cost without getting a plate of food. You can't fight for a word cost without getting 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 10, 20,000. So you think so everybody and you are the same thing. That's why you know I wear Tampax. That's why you know I wear tampon. Stay free. Can't hold no feces. No the leak. Because you can't fight for your word, it costs everything and money. So because I am out here now fighting for the liberation of my people and my country. Because I see where my country take a drastic turn. And it is almost over the cliff. My country need to be rescued and rescue fast. You want to label me as me working for Mark Golin. You think me licky like a owner, man? Nobody's pay me, man. I do independent journalism. And I will beat and teach anybody. It's not the opposition time as yet. I can't pay attention to the opposition right now. The opposition would be my distraction. I have to pay my attention to the problem. The problem of Jamaica right now is the Andrew Holness administration. And under his administration, everything deteriorates. That's the focus. If we're going to talk about crime and violence and the people that are murdering, and me supposed to go on every crime scene and show that on my platform, say 10 get murdered here so today, 20 get murdered over there so, boy, one man slow charge, one woman get raped. No, that is not the responsibility of Aromatic. That's the problem. What's the solution? I can't focus on the problem every day. I have to focus on the solution. The solution is the government of Jamaica who is allowing these things to happen. But the government of Jamaica is not putting anything in place to solve the crime and the violence. And then you want me to take my focus off the government and focus on the opposition. The opposition who don't have none teeth. They are just there to oppose, to ask questions, and to try to hold this Andrew Holness-led government badness administration accountable. And then you don't want to label me. Me can't bat, man, and me can't sell, man. You hear what the great late Marcus Garvey, you know? Black people will never know themselves until them black back against the wall. Me not go against black people. Me I go against Jamaican people. Unu little dirty nasty Jamaican. Unu will never know yourself until you back against the wall. You understand? Seeing the facts right in front of your eyes. And you want me to trample and walk all over my integrity to make Andrew Holness feel good or look good? I don't know, full of shit like a crab. Don't come around here with that. Don't come around here with that, bro. You understand what I'm saying? I am okay. My life is well set. I am not struggling in life. Me past them the days a long time. And that's the reason why I am fighting, bro. It was the struggling days, the tough time, the sufferation forced me into a next man country to seek a better life. I did not come here and waste that opportunity. I come here and capitalize. I come here and capitalize on that and make the best out of it. that I could. So we are not one of them waste man that were out here. They look for $10 and $20 rum and bum. And my country have to pay me to fight for them. No! I don't need no pay. Me fight for my country. My country. What make me there, sir? My country what make me there, sir? Me supposed to stick them up and ask them for money by me fighting for a worthy cause. And it's for the liberation of the Jamaican people. And it's to get rid of this administration who are putting back our country into the 70s, the 60s, and the 50s. That's what I'm fighting for, to liberate my people, bro. This is the 21st century, bro. We still have people in Jamaica using pit tile. We still have people in Jamaica don't have electricity, bro. A report come out the other day, boy. Over 2 million of us, brother, can't afford a nutrition meal. Rice and flour and chicken back. What is nutrition in a rice and flour and chicken back, bro? Just think about that. In the 21st century. And then this administration get up so much and brag and boast about the economy is doing so good and it is rosy and all of that. So, it is not trickling down on the local people, the man in the ghetto, the garrison, the inner city, rural Jamaica, urban Jamaica. Them now feel it. The only thing what them feeling, rice gone up, flour gone up, sugar gone up, cornmeal, milk, chicken back, tin mackerel, them house rent, them light bill, taxi fare gone up, school fee gone up, tuition gone up. You understand what I'm saying? And then wages stagnant and stay one place. And then you want me to see all of these things and play blind to it, trample over my integrity, walk over my dignity. You understand? Just to make Andrew Wellness feel good. When the reality is right there, the facts is right there in your face, showing what they are talking is the opposite. When we not deal with is right there in your face, bro. That's why we not deal with hypocrites, bro. Idiot. Dunce. You want me to sit, play dumb, blind, stupid, and watch the Prime Minister raping our country dry and just make it slide and play one of those hypocrites. You don't depend that with nobody, bro. You understand what I say? You don't depend that with nobody. We don't play no politics. We are here to restore Jamaica. Put it back on the map. Jamaica is heading over the cliff. We are 3/4 away over the cliff. It's just a whiskers away from capsize fully. So therefore, I cannot sit by and idle and watch this Andrew Wellness administration destroy Jamaica any further. And don't voice my opinion. It is my democratic right to speak on behalf of me, because things is not right. And I will never be afraid or intimidated by anybody to speak the facts and state it. Go and argue the facts before you come and argue with me. You're labeling me as a partisan and a this and a that. Do you know the difference between the opposition and the ruling party? Are you aware that is the ruling party make all the rules and regulation party they can in our country? Do you know? You know that even if the opposition want to stop something, they can't. Why? They are the minority. 2/3 of our parliament is ruled by the Jamaica Labour Party. So they don't need the opposition to do anything, to create any law, to make any rules. They don't. So it's full time for us to know the difference between the opposition and the ruling party. So for you to tell me to go and pay attention to the opposition, you're a dunce, stupid, slow, baboon, asshole, jackass, zombie, ratbat. Yes, you are. And I say that without no apology. Now come over here, so we don't know garbage, man. You understand? We don't accept germs over here, sir. We don't deal with bacteria over here, sir. Over here, sir, we clean, sanitize, we get rid of germs, grits and grime, we get rid of bacteria. We don't deal with termite, we don't deal with chichi. Loose man, loose cannon, weasels. I don't deal with it over here. So take it somewhere else and come off of my page and stop come talk about partisan. I am a Jamaican and Jamaican by birth. I exit my mother womb. I did not come to Jamaica. Never come to Jamaica on a car, bicycle, bike, aeroplane, helicopter, ship. It was through my mother womb I exit. So me no fear. And no guy can't scare me. Because I'm not easily intimidated. We're not afraid of people. That's why we stay one away and keep we circle tight. So a guy can't give up info on we so easy. Because we no loose cannon, we no waste man. We no out in the street and left our head back careless. That's why I always anchor down in my kitchen. Or I'm at work. You know, don't get that. So I know who know I run up here. I know because I'm not scared. I'm not fear no guy. Anyway, my people, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share and follow us over YouTube. Remember to hit the notification bell. You know, stay subscribed and stay notified. Whenever I drop a new content, you should be the first to know. And what I want you to do, whenever you get these contents, don't keep them by yourself. Like and share them. The message, it's have to reach the inner cities, rural Jamaica, the urban communities. The message is for them. So we have to make it connect. We have to make the message reach. Because they are the one who make the decision. And them show up and go in at the polling station. So we don't want the message slide over them head. We want the message connect and resonate with them. So going forward, it will only make a better decision for themselves. The decision that they make for themselves, it will only enhance for their kids, their grandkids, and their great-grandkids. And a better future. So that's the thing there. Love your neighbor and show them respect. Struggle is real. But guess what? Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, and little common sense, it can help us to get out of any situation. We tell them, say, a God and good road. Be well, my people. The signature word, we always tell them, heart of love, heart of love, heart of love. Peace, my people. Out.